How to set parental controls in the Google Play Store. First, grab the phone and open up the Google Play Store app. Look at the top right corner, tap on the account icon, and then hit Settings. Next, you'll see an option called Family. Tap that and then click on Parental Controls. See that toggle at the top? Flip it on. Now it's going to ask you to create a PIN. This is important. Make sure it's a number your child won't easily guess. No birthdays or 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll need this PIN whenever you want to change or remove these restrictions later. Enter your PIN again to confirm it. Once your PIN is set, you can customize everything. Just select the type of content you want to filter, like apps, games, or movies, and choose the age restriction that fits your family best. When you're happy with the limits, just tap Save at the bottom and you are all set. Thanks for hanging out. Catch you in the next video.